Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to Burlington Coat Factory because one of my beautiful viewers that watches all of my videos, and I greatly appreciate, asked that I come to Burlington Coat Factory. So I drove 45 minutes away to another Burlington to see if I found better stuff, because the Burlington that's closest to me the last time was a fail. So I came a little ways out just to see if this one was any better. And they also have a Nordstrom Rack, so I'm also gonna go there to see if I find any goodies. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let's go see what I find at Burlington Coat Factory and Nordstrom Rack. Here we are, best of both worlds, Burlington Coat Factory and Nordstrom Rack. Let's go see what goodies we find. So first thing I see is the e.l.f. Ultimate Face Brush Roll. It's a 19-piece brush set and it is $19.99. And these are the brushes you get. This actually seems very interesting. This is pretty much the overview. They don't really have that much, I would say. They have a lot of like brands that I don't know who they are, and then they have like Rimmel, and they have like this Real Techniques brush. They have this eyeshadow palette from BB. You know, it's like brands that aren't like very known. And then they have this e.l.f. kit also, $4.99. They have like a lot of hair care. They have this Physicians Formula color correcting, and this is $5.99 for this kit right here. And then they have a ton of Laura Geller Get Ready and Go Eyes, Face, Cheeks for $14.99. They have a bunch of those. And then they have this Pure Quick Pro palette for $6.99. I feel like this we have seen at Marshall's and Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's, TJ Maxx. Wow. They have these like sponges for $5.99. Ooh, look at this glow kit. That's pretty interesting. It's like a cream glow kit. They have this Pure 4-piece glow on the go. This is $10.99, originally $28. Ooh, look at this one. This is Beauty Treats Endless Days bronzer booklet. Look at that. That's really pretty. What does that remind you of? Nikki tutorials, perhaps? And this is $7.99. You have a bunch of BB here. I wonder if this is BB like the clothing store. This is like a cool palette. And then they have this like eyeshadow palette right here. And this is $5.99. Hey, there we are. Ooh, they have this Wonderlust palette, $9.99. Very pretty. We've seen these before plenty of times. Another Physicians Formula. More BB. I wonder if this brand is good. I should try out their stuff and let you guys know, because they have a lot of stuff here. Like a bunch. This is only $2.99. Here's like an overview of this side of like what I seen. Like I said, it's like pretty much BB only. Oh, I want to show you guys this palette right here. Look at this one. This is really nice. And this is $12.99. Honestly, the only blush I like is these two right here. That one and that one. And they have Profusion brows. Alright, I rescued it. There it is. Nothing popped out. Don't worry. I know a lot of you get concerned. $4.99. They have a bunch of these Physicians Formula concealers, like a bunch of them, and they're all $3.99. And then they have like these nude, I don't know if they're like, oh, they're matte nude liquid lipsticks for $6.99. And then they have like these like Kylie Cosmetic wannabe things. This is like the overview on this side. I'm telling you, like Burlington kind of carries more of this BB brand than like high-end names. And then they have tumblers. And then I found this City Color collection. This is like eyeshadows and lip product. And this is $5.99. Oh, and I guess like those are bronzers, blush, and highlight. So it's like a full face in like one palette for $5.99. This is a Nordstrom Rack. This is Laura Geller 31 Shadow Eyeshadow Collection. Wait. $24.97. That's pretty good. And then they have this, which we've seen before at Marshall's, I think. I think this is a highlighter. And this is $19.97. There's a lot of them here. And then there's brushes.
There's my mom.
There's a bunch of NYX. Ooh. Is this on sale? No, I don't think it is. I think it's regular price. And we have this. I heard this is really good. But I don't think NYX is on sale here. I think it's regular price. Look at this one. Oh, they have the mochi. And then here they have the little like 4 quad shadows. There's like no prices. And then you have MAC Cosmetics. These are lip liners. Here's like all the NYX. You'll definitely find NYX in any Nordstrom Rack. And I don't think any of this is on sale. I think it's just regular price. The other side. Here's some lashes, lash glue. You have a lot of Bobbi Brown, Butter London, Urban Decay. Well guys, that was it for our Burlington Nordstrom Rack adventures. I honestly didn't find anything thrilling. I mean, aside from like the no-name brand makeup, which that kind of seemed really interesting. Hopefully you guys still like this video, and I will see everyone in my next video very soon. Don't forget the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know where you think I should go next and what goodies you are hoping to find. And until next time,